Everybody, today in class we discovered a bug. Well, we discovered several bugs, but the one that I want to fix right now is this confusing yellow highlighting that's happening when our wizard runs around. I've been reading the Sherlock Holmes stories recently, and Sherlock Holmes talks a lot about making deductions, logical deductions from your observations. And this is very much what debugging is like. So here I am inside the player's render. Here's what we know. We know that before we changed how we were rendering the player, that didn't happen. Then we added this if statement, and it started happening. So, logically, you would expect that something about this stuff made it happen. So let's systematically test to see if we can eliminate that by commenting sections out. So for example, what if I comment out render animated standing? I wouldn't expect this to fix the problem because we were running render animated standing before and it was working just fine. But, you know, it's something to try. So we don't see our player standing, but that yellow highlighting is still there. So clearly that's not it. Let's see if, for some reason, this new screen.render is what's doing it. So I'll comment that out. Nope, still there. Okay, what was the other thing that I did? I guess this is a new thing also because we didn't need to get the tile that we were on top of before because we were just rendering ourselves standing. Now we're getting the tile so that we can check if it's water. So what happens if I comment out all of this and I go back to just animated standing? I would expect this to eliminate the problem. Okay, it does. So by a system of elimination, it looks as if it's not this, so it must be one of these two. It's probably not in this if statement, so my guess is it's in here. So let's look in there and see what it's doing. I'll hold the control key and click in there. Get current tile type. So it's saying this.level get tile type at world coordinates. Okay, well let's look in there. Here we are. So get tile type at world coordinates. So it's doing some stuff and blah blah blah. Hold on. Game.getScreen highlight tile at world coordinates. What's that doing in there? So it seems like this was something that I had done while debugging and didn't remove. So let's remove it. And it looks like that's fixed the problem. So what I wanted to illustrate about this was the debugging technique, where you know that something that you added recently was causing the problem, so you systematically kind of step back, or you systematically comment out certain portions of the code to try and test where it is, and then you poke in there to see if it's the part of the code that's responsible.